I'm Alex. I'm originally from Maryland. I've always dreamed of moving down south, so here I am, moving to Johns Island, South Carolina. This isn't too hard.
Johns Island is located just about 15 minutes from historic downtown Charleston and is home to the angel oak tree, one of the oldest oak trees this side of the Mississippi. Some of my favorite things are the easy access to the water and all the outdoor activities that we can do.
I'm excited that you're finally moving to this area.
Yeah, I know. I've only been talking about it for 2 or 3 years now.
Yeah, it's about time.
It's super relaxing. Palm trees everywhere.
You want to start a list? What exactly are you looking for?
Kind of looking for at least 3 bedrooms and like 2 baths.
What do you need all that space for?
I plan on getting some roommates. They'll help take up a little bit of slack on my mortgage payment, and they'll help me afford a nicer place, too. I'm not really too keen on living in an apartment. I want to have a little separation between me and my neighbors.
Okay.
I mean, the big thing for me is a garage to store motorcycles, but also have it kind of set up like a workshop.
Do you want to do renovations?
I'd rather have it move-in ready. Probably don't want a huge yard. I'm not going to be able to take care of it when I'm out on a ship.
Where exactly on Johns Island are you looking?
I'd like it if it was more in the middle of everything. I don't really want to be too far away from North Charleston, but I also kind of want to be close to the beach.
Have you been saving up?
I've been trying to pinch my pennies lately. It's kind of hard for me, but if I stay under 300,000, should probably be all right. I really don't want to spend more than that.
Yeah, and maybe one day you could get a boat.
I don't know about that. I'm going to work on getting the house first.
Yeah.
Baby steps.
I'm showing Alex Serenity Point because it is centrally located on Johns Island, giving easy access not only to work, but just a short drive to the beaches.
Wow, this house looks really nice. I'd love to have a huge garage like this.
You're gonna have plenty of room for everything you want, with 1,757 square feet and 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms.
I'm loving that so far. How much is it going for?
$294,900.
That's getting a little pricey there.
This house is move-in ready. There's nothing you're gonna have to do.
How close to the beach are we?
You're only about 20 minutes away from Beachwalker Park.
Okay.
Not too bad.
I could do that.
If you guys wanna head inside, check it out.
Great.
Thank you.
Wow, this is great.
You've got a fireplace.
Vaulted ceilings are a super nice touch.
I definitely think this space is functional and will work for you, especially when you have roommates and you want to entertain.
Might do something different with the couch arrangement here. Maybe with the couch up against the staircase there. I like this furniture, though.
It doesn't come with the house.
I think for the price, it probably should come with the house, but...
It's a nice sized dining room.
I like this a lot with the big window there. It's nice full size for a whole big old family.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Looking into the future.
Maybe not so soon. I really like the kitchen. Granite countertops.
Stainless steel appliances. This is a nice size. You could add a little table.
Yeah, I do wish it was more open, though.
I mean, at least it's not completely closed off. If you were hosting, you could just pass some drinks.
Crack open a beer, give it right to your buddy. I don't even have to move.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Some nice staircase. I like the carpet.
Yeah, it looks nice and cushy.
Yeah.
There's a nice cozy upstairs, too.
This is a decent sized bedroom.
I like that window, too. It lets in, like, a lot of natural light. Nice and cozy back here.
Oh, wow. I like this porch. It's nice that it's screened in. It even has a fan if it gets too hot.
I could definitely see myself spending some time out here just reading a book, having a beer.
It's nice for entertaining, too.
This backyard is huge. You could have a nice big party. You could have a little dancing patio over there and a little cooking patio over here.
I didn't know you were a dancer.
Oh, I'm not, but some people might be. Cool trees back here.
And I like how it's all wooded in the back, that there isn't another house back there.
Just taking care of the lawn. It's gonna be a lot of work for me, but it's a really nice house overall. Got a massive double garage. Just having the nice big rooms could attract some roommates. It's still a little up there in my price,
But getting an extra room will be a benefit.
and that would definitely soften the blow of the price tag, but I'd have to think about it.
Yeah, you could make it work.
I think Alex is really gonna enjoy Balm Delight, which is on the northeastern side of the island, very close to downtown Charleston. It has an open floor plan, and it has the garage he's looking for.
Oh, look at that big, long driveway.
And the garage.
Yeah,
That's exactly what you're looking for.
nice.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Bill.
Welcome to Balm Delight.
The house has that southern Charleston look to it.
I really like that balcony up there.
This one is listed at $295,000.
That's a little high.
It does have 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms.
Oh, wow.
The 4th bedroom gives an opportunity for some extra income.
If I had 3 other roommates, that'd definitely help offset the cost a lot more.
It's gonna be about 25 to 30 minutes for you to get to work.
That sounds good. And the beach?
About 20 to 25 minutes away.
Steven and I only live about 10 minutes away.
I can come over a lot more often. Let's check it out. After you.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this.
It's nice and open.
Yeah, there's a lot of space. Really high ceilings. Plus you got the fan here. I can see myself hanging out here, just watching some TV, and fireplace is a nice touch.
It feels very welcoming. They've got the little nook over there.
I'd probably find some way to use that space.
I like this window. It opens it up even though this little wall is here.
Mm-hmm.
Put bar stools.
And I like how the dining room is totally connected to the family room. There's all the windows too. You got all the natural light coming in.
And I think you could add some artwork to make it feel a little more homey too.
You got the kitchen over here.
I like the island with the bar and the bar stools.
It could definitely use a little bit of a facelift. I'm not sure what this material is. It's not granite or anything.
You could update it if you wanted.
That might add to the price.
But it has the stainless steel appliances, tons of cabinet and counter space.
If I had the roommates, you know, we could not be all on top of each other.
You could learn to cook.
Oh, yeah, that's something I've been meaning to do.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's a nice master. I really like that it's on the first floor.
That's super convenient. I definitely have enough room in here to set up a computer or something. I really like those shutters. It adds a lot of character to the room.
I bet you it blocks out a lot of light. You could sleep in. This is a good size. I like this double vanity.
There's a lot of counter space here. I think I might add like a border to this mirror or something. You know, give it a little bit more style. It's kind of cool. The toilet is kind of like tucked around the corner.
Yeah, it has this little wall for privacy.
You got the walk-in shower. I really like that.
You might have to close those blinds when you're showering though.
Oh, probably. Or frost the glass there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a pretty nice little backyard.
Yeah, it's like the perfect size for you.
This would take like 10 minutes to mow. Not a whole lot to take care of. Also, we got that garage, ever so important to me.
I can't wait for Alex to see the Hickory retreat. Located just a mile from the bottom of the bridge at the Stono River, it has that low-maintenance backyard, and it's a great value.
I really like the front porch. It's a cute house.
Yeah, it's got that nice little colonial vibe to it.
The plants make it look very islandy.
It looks like it's kind of coming out of the forest right now.
Doesn't have a huge backyard, but that would be good because it is low maintenance.
I noticed there wasn't a garage here.
However, it's well within your comfort range at $269,999.
Yeah, that sounds good.
And that leaves you plenty of room to add a garage later. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 1,678 square feet.
How close are we to North Charleston, do you think?
For you to get to work, it's gonna be about 30 minutes.
Okay.
I'll be out here if you have any questions.
Thanks, Bill.
Oh, this is nice.
I really like this. Nice tall ceilings. You know, you got a nice little gas fireplace there.
And you could possibly put a TV over the mantle.
It would be kind of awkward because you kind of have to put the couch over to the side and you'd always be turning your neck. It feels a little tighter in here, you know, for a living room. I think I would like it better if it was more open towards the house.
At least it has the windows and the shutters. Gets it some natural light.
We might be able to throw a little party in here, maybe a little tiny person party, you know?
You can make it work.
Oh, this is a nice kitchen. I really like the countertops. The backsplash, too. That's really cool.
It's nice and open. There's tons of counter space.
I really like the breakfast bar. No fridge, though. That's kind of like a big detractor. Those are real expensive nowadays. I could definitely see myself using this. Yeah, this has like a nice flow to it right out here to the like dining room area. I don't know about putting a big table here though, because there's so much counter space there on the island.
What do you think about the little nook over there?
I don't know if I'd put my desk there. It's kind of like in the middle of everything.
Not a lot of privacy. Oh, I like the stairs.
Although that bottom step kind of sticks out a little bit. I don't know about that.
Might have some bruised shins.
Stuck my toe in the middle of the night.
And it does walk straight into a bathroom.
Yeah, that is a little weird.
Think it would work for roommates?
It could use a little updating. Bathtub's looking kind of used. Sink looks pretty old.
Oh, wow.
Oh, aloha.
You're definitely gonna have to do some painting in here.
For sure. Is this wood stuck to the walls or something?
Looks like it. This is a nice backyard.
Yeah, I like it. It's small, manageable. When I go out to sea, I don't have to pay someone to cut all my grass.
And the shed over there is a nice little touch too.
I'd still rather have a garage. It's a lot more useful. I do like the deck.
This would be
Pretty
good for
nice.
entertaining.
This would be a lot better for a party than that living room, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
I do prefer more of an open floor plan, but I really like the kitchen. With some of the work that I would need to do with updating some of the bathrooms, tearing out the palm trees upstairs, so I think the price is a little deceiving. It's probably gonna be several thousand more.
Yeah, especially if you want to add a garage. Still is a good price for the location.
Yeah, definitely something to keep in mind. How's the guac and the salsa?
It's not bad.
Homemade or store-bought?
I think you know the answer to that one. I decided to put in an offer with Bill for Balm Delight. The price was a little high at $295,000. I decided to go with an offer for $285,000, and it was accepted. I'm glad to say that I'm now the proud owner of Balm Delight. I've been able to find some roommates and have lots of get-togethers with my friends.
I assume you haven't learned how to cook yet.
Small baby steps.
There's a good pizza place right around the corner.
Oh, yeah.
This is a big change from shipboard life.
Now I got 2,000 square feet of house. I got that garage so I can store my bikes, and finally completing the project bike that I've been working on for so long now.